Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to write text in a box in Google Docs. Here you can see I want to add this paragraph in a box. First of all, select all the text and then cut, or from your keyboard Control or Command X, go to Insert, Drawing menu and New. Now here you can see multiple tools. From here select text box, draw a text, draw a box, and then Control or Command V. Save and close. That's it. It's a very simple and easy process. I think this is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.